The U.S. military's across-the-board overmatch that we held since the end of the Cold War has been steadily eroded. To counter all this, we must modernize, and we must do so now. We are making a bold shift towards the future. I meet with defense CEOs on a regular basis, and my message to them is to meet us in the future. Help the Army modernize, rather than fight to hold on to the past.
I believe we have the best soldiers in the world, but they need the best equipment in the world, and we can afford it. This country, if it's going to send young men and women into harm's way, they need to go with the best equipment.
So I would ask you for your assistance to help support the Army's message. I know change is hard, and not all will ever get on board, but we must make the transition. We must leave the past and rush to the future.